So what we're going to do is take the new OTC adapters that I got in the mail just a day or two ago, install the new Spicer ball joints, and test out how well these adapters really do.
I want you straight up. I want you straight up. I want you straight up. Don't want you made up. I want you straight up. No filter, no filter, no filter. I want you straight up. No filter. I want you straight up. Right when you wake up. I want you straight up. You think you're so sly when you lie. You don't even look me in the eye when you lie. All you do is look up in the sky when you lie. You don't even need a reason why when you lie. I rarely believe you, I barely can see you, I see a disguise.
For demonstration purposes, I'm just going to reuse some of the old ball joints that I just pressed out to test this new ball joint kit that I got. Looks like that fits over pretty well. This is an angled, it's hard to see, but it's got a slight angle on it to match up nice and even with the C. And we'll see how well this goes. As you saw, that was actually pretty easy. The cup fits perfectly over, seats on the ring of the ball joint. So for grins, we'll go ahead and back this off and take the ball joint out. Now I already did it with my, I already did this with my Maddox kit, but we're just testing out this new, we're testing out the new Jeep adapter. I picked this up for about maybe 70 bucks, but I just wanted to have it because it had all the correct fittings for Dana 30s and Dana 44s. All right, so it looks like we're going to take the beveled adapter. Like I said in my previous video, the adapters fall all over the place. All right, so take the beveled adapter. Looks like it fits pretty well anywhere. It looks like this fits. Ooh, but right. If you look really closely, there's a small tapered end and a larger end. I'm going to put the larger end right up against the bottom of the ball joint. Then go to knock this off again. Alright, I'm just going to really quickly clean up. tapered fitting. It lines it up so that it lines it up so that you don't have to worry about shimming. Don't have to worry about shimming the adapters. So that's it in a nutshell. This is most likely a knockoff OTC kit. First impression though, I took the ball joint out pretty easily. Way easier than when I did with the adapters that came with the Maddox C clamp. So you know, I think I spent $70. Yeah. I did do it with the kit by itself. I struggled a little bit more. You know, I got the idea for using this from Bleepin' Jeep, and he said it made life a million times easier. I agree. I gotta concur. The adapters worked really well, and you know, it was a warm ball joint, and I took it out in literally a matter of like seconds. But this is a tool that I could definitely get a lot of use of. If not on my rigs, definitely some buddies or people in need. Not bad, not bad. All in all, that was actually pretty easy. The adapters seem to really make this job a lot easier than in my previous experience. It's definitely worth the $70-80 you spend, especially if you off-road and you most likely will have to change a few ball joints in the life of the axle. So I give it a thumbs up. Probably took me to do all 4 ball joints maybe 25 minutes, 30 minutes tops. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those down below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And this is the FM Jeeper, signing out.